Kadochi, do you like it when I cry? Huh? Do you consider my feelings when you ride? Huh? You go let the ladder die inside? What? You put me second to some bitch on the side? What? I was with you before this gap came, before the scans came, when you were still thinking about changing your Facebook name, nigga. Say something now. Are you choking? Baby, I'm sorry. Are you joking? So much for me to convince me to be open. I don't know why I chose that with you. When you've clearly chosen, it's music over me. You don't know your emotions. But anyway, I need your another devotion. But anyway, my heart feels safer when you hold it. Like you're not the one that block it. How did I end up falling for you? I found myself calling for you. Into the dark, I followed you. I should have known this ended. Look, I'm in Chihuahua.